In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CJ Dropshipping for a successful eBay business. Get ready to streamline your operations and maximize your sales with these detailed steps. First, let's dive into logging into CJ Dropshipping. If you haven't already set up an account, head over to their website and register with your email. Make sure to create a strong password to keep your account secure. For those who already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and navigate to the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you move around more efficiently. Once inside, we'll focus on finding the right products to sell. CJ Dropshipping offers a vast range of items, so it's important to choose wisely. Think about your niche and what your customers are interested in. Use the search bar to find specific products or browse through categories to discover new opportunities. Pay close attention to product descriptions, supplier ratings, and customer reviews to ensure you're selecting quality items. Now let's talk about integrating CJ Dropshipping with eBay. CJ offers a seamless integration to help automate your processes. To do this, go to the User Center in your CJ account and find the eBay integration option. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions to link both platforms, which will allow you to synchronize your listings and orders. If you prefer, you can also manually create listings on eBay. Simply gather the product details from CJ and transfer them to your eBay seller account. This might be a bit more time-consuming, but some sellers prefer the control it offers. With the integration set up or your manual listings ready to go, the next step is importing product details, images, and prices. CJ Dropshipping makes this part straightforward. When you find a product you want to list, just click to import all the necessary information directly to your eBay account. Ensure the details are accurate and complete. Double-check the product images for quality, as they play a crucial role in attracting potential buyers. Be meticulous when setting the prices, considering your profit margins and competitive pricing. Finally, it's time to publish your listings and manage any new orders. Review everything once more and hit publish. Congratulations, your products are now live on eBay. As orders start rolling in, you can manage them directly through CJ Dropshipping. This platform provides real-time updates, allowing you to track orders and communicate with suppliers without hassle. Always keep an eye on your account to address any issues promptly. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to leveraging CJ Dropshipping for your eBay business. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving online store. Happy selling, and don't forget to explore of CJ Dropshipping's resources for even more tips and tricks. And